Hi, welcome back to ViaVia's Kitchen with me, Lala. And today are special because today I cook in the fresh air. Right now I'm in Klecos Hill, that is one of tourist destination in Yogyakarta. It's placed in Kulon Progo. And then today is special because all of the ingredients are picked in here in Klecos. And today I will make a fried snack made from semanggi. The ingredients is semanggi, or as you already know, semanggi is known as cloverleaf. So the first ingredients is semanggi or cloverleaf. Here I'm using about 100 grams or 200 grams of cloverleaf, and then here I'm using 2 leeks, and then 1 garlic and candlenut. And then also here I'm using 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And here I have 2 kinds of flour. That is, here I'm using a multi-purpose flour, and this is rice flour. And for the taste, I'm just using salt and then sugar to avoid the MSG. Now I will cut the leek. Then put aside of the leeks, and then I will crush the candlenut and the garlic. You can use garlic powder. The measure is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And if you don't have candlenut, you can use macadamia nut, or just skip without the macadamia or candlenut. Okay, crush them into paste like this, and then I will put in here, and then I will put the coriander powder, and then I will season with salt, half teaspoon of salt, and a little bit sugar, maybe about 1 pinch of sugar, white sugar. And then I will put water little by little until become perfect consistency. Here I'm preparing about 400 ml of water. If you want to add with 1 egg, it's also possible, but here I'm not adding with egg, so it also can be used as vegan friendly. So the consistency of the batter is like this. It's not too light, but it's also not too thick also. And then put the clover leaf inside. And then put the leeks inside. And the batter is like this. Okay. And then I will heat the oil. Here I'm using soya oil. Make sure that the fire you can put into the medium heat of fire, and then wait until it's a little bit hot. So after the oil is ready, I will fry the semanggi. put one full of semanggi. It's quite windy here, but the weather is very nice. Okay. So it's very common for Indonesian people to eat fried food like gorengan instead of it's made from tempe or tofu. It's also made from any kind of ingredients that we can find in our storage. Usually we make this with different ingredients like carrot and then bean sprout. We call it bakwan. And then we usually eat gorengan in any occasion because we consume it usually for snack, in snack time, and fried the semanggi until it's become golden brown. So this is our last bakwan semanggi. And now it's ready to serve. I will put it on a plate. It's good to eat with chili. We usually eat with small chili, small green chili, or if you don't like spicy, you can eat with ketchup. And done. This is our fried semanggi or bakwan semanggi for today. It tastes so savory and also crunchy. You can have it anytime as a snack. And I hope you try this recipe at home. It's very simple and also consists of high fiber from the clover leaf itself. And thank you for watching this video. I hope we can see you again in the next video. And so if you have any question, please drop in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, of course. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next time. Have a nice day. Bye.